Welcome back. Two boys, a dancing game, at least 3 cameras, and a little person. What did happen next? Mum's on fire, but keep dancing. Sounds like a Scissor Sisters lyric, doesn't it? Mum's on fire, but keep on dancing.
We are a property that really does.
Sure,
Article 50, but without Labour's support couldn't assemble a majority for a people's vote, leaving a general election as the only chance to remain in the EU. So I did not shirk the debates and the phone-ins. I turned up to the interviews and I stood up proudly for our beliefs. I'm proud that Liberal Democrats have been the unapologetic voice of Remain in this election, giving people the chance to choose to stop Brexit. Obviously, it hasn't worked. And I, like you, am devastated about that. But I don't regret trying everything. Because the prize was to save our future, our children's future in Europe, where we can work together to tackle the climate emergency, trade freely to boost our living standards, and be a strong beacon for human rights around the world.
Jo Swinson. Well, Christine Jardine is the Lib Dem MP for Edinburgh West, and she joins us now. Thank you very much for joining us here on BBC News. Why did your party fail to cut through in a way that you had hoped when seats like Cheltenham looked like they were yours for the taking only a few days ago?
Yeah, we missed a lot of seats quite narrowly. It's at the moment, it's too early to say. I'm not sure quite what went wrong. Jo led a very positive campaign, a very upbeat campaign. She had a vision of a brighter future for this country, and why that didn't quite cut through may have been to do with the squeeze, the old two-party system. As I say, we just narrowly missed in a lot of places. Our vote share went up. 1.2 million people more voted for us this time than in 2017, and we have 1 seat fewer. So the immediate lesson from this is that it's time that we did away with the old first past the post system and looked at a proper system of proportional representation, not just for the Liberal Democrats' benefit, but for the benefit of the country, so that people get the representation that they voted for, and not just the person who is most popular in their area.
We did. We'll be keen to see the back of first past the post. Isn't it true, though, that it was the wrong leader with the wrong message to say that you were going to overturn Brexit, to stop Brexit, which was, for many people, to thwart the will of voters who had said in 2016 they wanted to leave the EU. You were wrong to do that.
We said for 3.5 years that what we wanted was a referendum to give the people the final say on the deal once we knew the details of it. We said that